In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Bank of America if you want a smooth, secure way to move funds from your Wise account to a Bank of America account. Follow along and I'll walk you through each screen and what to watch out for. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap Send. This is where you set up a new transfer. Next, choose Add Recipient so Wise knows who you're sending money to. Before you enter details, make sure the currency is set to USD. Selecting USD ensures the transfer routes correctly to a US bank and helps avoid unnecessary conversion steps or fees. After that, choose the option for bank details. This tells Wise you'll provide the recipient's exact banking information rather than sending via a username or other methods. You'll be asked for an email address. Enter the recipient's email so they can receive notifications about the transfer if needed. It also helps Wise keep the recipient profile organized. Then confirm you're providing recipient bank details as the method of payment. Now add the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their Bank of America account. Matching the name helps prevent delays or rejections. Next, enter the routing number. For Bank of America, this is a 9-digit number that identifies the bank and region. You can usually find it on the bottom of a check or in the bank's online profile. Double check each digit to avoid misrouted transfers. Enter the account number for the Bank of America account. This is typically longer than the routing number and is unique to the recipient's account. Take your time here. A single typo can cause the transfer to fail. Then select the account type such as checking or savings. Picking the correct type helps Wise and the bank process the payment correctly. Set the country to United States so Wise applies the right rules for US domestic transfers. You'll also be prompted to search for an address or postcode. Use the recipient's current US address. As you type, Wise may suggest matches. Select the correct one to populate the fields accurately. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. Wise will use these details to move you to the next stage of the transfer. Keep your recipient's information secure and only send to people and accounts you trust. That's all you need to set up a transfer from Wise to Bacetsan Europais to Bank of America.